Hey y'all, this video will be all about how to uninstall the crochet method for your V-part wigs. Here's a clip from my previous video, but now it's time to take her off.
When I tell you it is just as easy to take it off as it is to install it, I'm gonna need you to keep on watching.
I've had this hair in for well over a week, and this is me showing you guys how you just use your fingers, use them to feel where you crocheted in that piece, and once you feel it and get a grip on it, you literally just pull it right back through.
I know this video is going pretty fast, so if you want a full tutorial, I do have one on my YouTube that you can check out.
I kept this clip in to show you that when your hair gets older, it will get frizzy. You still use your fingers to find it and pull it through, just like that. And then I learned, y'all, how about once I unclip this side, I realized that if I would have just unclipped it in the first place, I could take my finger and feel what crocheted through to pull it
Once
through.
I realized that, it did make it way easier to just slide my hair back through. It's basically uninstalling what you did in the first place.
This viral crochet method was so convenient, especially for this curly wig. I didn't have to worry about my natural hair out. I didn't have to worry about blending. All I had to worry about was whether or not to remove it this early. But I'm definitely going to reinstall it. This hair is linked in my TikTok shop, so I think it's very much something that you need to be looking into because these curls are giving.